Alright, so here we go. We got today 09 G8 GT. New little project. Got the 2012 Camaro SS wheels on it. Very clean. Inside is very clean. Love this car so far. Whoops. That's fused. Whole thing. The mods I think I'm gonna do, I'm definitely gonna get these headlights redone. New aftermarket headlights. They got some kind of like their inserts that go right here. We can get those as well. Very clean under the hood. I'm gonna get a cold air intake. Or a better intake. Got headers already. Very clean. 93,000 miles. Got it managed. Very pleased with this car. Y'all tell me what y'all think. This is gonna be the modding project right here. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else to the Impala. There's headers. I'm not sure exactly what's done to the exhaust, but I'm pretty sure there's something done to it. Lower the windows down so we can get a good, see if we can get some good audio on this. A little pull.